السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our lesson is about today conversation 23. عشان نعرف ساعتين conversation 23 wadasheekeysiga صدح يا واتان. How are you? Fine, thank you. And how about you? How are you? Sideebaad tahay? How are you? Sideebaad tahay? Fine, fiican. Thank you, mahadsanid. And how about you? Sideebaad tahay? And how about you? Sideebaad tahay? How are you? Fine, thank you. And how about you? I'm of the moon. What else do you have? I'm of the moon. Anugu dayax korkiisaan joogaa. What else do you have? Maxaad kala haysaa? Anugu meel saraan marayaa. What else do you have? Maxaad kala haysaa? I'm of the moon. What else do you have? I'm of the moon. Anugu dayaxaan dul marayaa. What else do you have? Adigu maxaad kala haysaa? What else maxaa kala do you have aad haysaa? Don't be afraid to ask me a question. Please calm down. Don't be faster than your son. Don't be afraid ما تكعبسنين. Don't be afraid ما تكعبسنين to ask me a question as well with you. So please فضلا calm down stitchy and don't be faster than your son. Go حاجة. And don't be faster than your son. Go حاجة. Don't be afraid ما تكعبسنين to ask me a question as well with you. So please فضلا calm down stitchy and don't be faster than your son. after go حاجة كدرين. Don't be afraid to ask me a question. Please calm down and don't be faster than your son.